let's review how to calculate the equation of the median of a triangle. Example, what is the equation of the median CD of the following triangle? Now, let me just tell you right off that this triangle is not drawn to scale. However, the endpoints, the vertices, do work. Okay. To do this, a median runs from a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. I'm going to call that point D. What I'm going to do is I'm going to find the midpoint by adding the x's, dividing by 2, adding the y's, dividing by 2, just using the midpoint formula. That will give me this point. Then I will use this point and this point with my slope formula to get the slope of that line. Finally, I'll use the slope with either this point or this point to get the standard form equation of the median line. So let's start off by calculating the midpoint. So the midpoint AB is just going to be 10 plus negative 4 divided by 2 and 3 plus 1 divided by 2. And if I work that out, I get 3, 2 is my midpoint. I'm now going to use this point and this point to get the slope of this line. So we'll just use our slope formula. Slope of CD equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. I'll just plug in my numbers. So y2 minus y1, I'll do 2 minus negative 1 over 3 minus 10. So 2 minus negative 1 is equal to 3. 3 minus 10 is equal to negative 7. So the slope of this line is negative 3 over 7, and that visually looks like it's probably the right answer. Now I'm going to take that slope and either this point or this point and use my standard form of a line equation to get the equation of the median. So I'm going to use y minus y1 over x minus x1 equals m. Now I'll substitute in, I'll use point C and I'll use my slope of 3 over negative 7. So I will have y minus negative 1 over x minus 10 equals negative 3 over 7. I'm now going to cross multiply. 7y plus 7, this minus and minus make that a plus, equals negative 3x plus 30. Now I'll move everything over to the left hand side. This is the equation of the median line CD. Thank you for visiting this lesson.